Hi, this is the VIVO V29 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the network and internet. Click the Wi-Fi switcher to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, and after that you'll see here all of the available networks which you could use. Just select one from the networks. For example, I'll use this one and enter the password. You'll see here the show password checkbox if you want to check the correct password or not, and then just tap to connect button. Now we could see that we just successfully connected to this network with our device. And also we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and you'll see here the Wi-Fi icon. Just click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, and to launch Wi-Fi settings hold it for a while, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.